What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Rich and Groovy. Rob Rich here, and today we're going to be doing a follow along that is very hip hop heavy and funky, and there's a lot of flavor. Where I'm from, we like to call it, give it a little stank. You know what I'm saying? Okay, but before we do that, remember that this video is mirrored. That means that my right is your right, and my left is your left. Today, assisting me, we got Lindsay on the right, and we got Julian on the left. Grab the water bottle, get the towel so you can wipe the sweat, and let's get it poppin'. Ooh, you see it already, look. That's why I'm in a good mood, because listen to that flavor. Let's move that body. Say hello to your body for me like always. The knees plie a little bit. Let your head bounce. Do what you gotta do with the arms. Y'all good? Y'all feeling warm back there? How you feeling? You feeling warm? All right, give it a couple seconds. We're getting there. Here we go. First move. 5, 6, take it slow. 7, 8, we look right, then center, then drop with the snap. Left, then center, then drop with the snap. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It ain't right if it ain't no stank on it. Speed it up right away. 1, 2, crack. Woo! 6. Look right, center, then left, center. Give it flavor. Move around a little bit. Look, don't be stiff, don't be stiff. Keep it going, one more time, not like this, don't do this. That's flat. Use your knees, plie, use your body, let's go. Ooh. There it is, one more. Then we're gonna lean with it. We're gonna rock with it slow. Right foot, right arm. 1, left, right. Switch, left, right. My arms go front, left, then right. Hold it there, front, left, right. Almost feels like I'm trying to punch, but I'm always reaching too. Lean to your right, then lean to your left. I sped it up on you, didn't even know. Slow it down one more time. Let's go right, left, lean right. Then you go left, right, lean left. Speed it up, let's go. Go 1 and 2, hey, boom. Let's get it, give it flavor. If that bounces happen naturally, then come on, you see it, put it in there, flavor. How you doing? You look good, don't stress, I know. Grooves, don't stress. We're going right, left, right, right, left, right. Last one. 1, 5, 1, Next move goes like this. Right foot goes press, press, press. Shift your weight back, press. Now use your hips, push them front, front, rock them back, front, front. My arms are going, pulling, up, extend, pull, extend. One more like that, 2 more. Extend, pull, extend. Here we go. This goes 1 and 2. It's okay, no music. 4, finish the 8, 6, 7, and an 8. Breathe right here for a second. This is your break. You know what that means. Grab your water really quickly, wipe off that sweat, and bring it back in, because guess what? The DJ is dropping it like it's hot. Oh, take your time. We're here. If you're here with us, keep on grooving, keep on moving. Take your time. If you're getting that water, not too much time, bring it back in. Here we go. 5, same move. 7 with the music. Go 1, 2, 3, hey, 5, 6. We gotta push, extend, push, keep it going. 1, hey, switch your weight, and back in front. Nice. Other side, slow. 1, 2, 3. Same move. Other foot. Left foot is going front, back right, front, back. Arms pull, up, extend. One more like that. You got it. 1, 2, 3. Take your time. You can have tension, resistance. Make it feel really good. Let's run, squeeze. Woo! Add a little stank. You gotta give me that face. That's fine. Speed it up. 6, 7. Let's go. 1. Oh. 5, 7. Push it front. Look, now don't do this. Don't be flat. Don't not use your body. So look. This is not using my body. Use that hip. Push. 1, 3. Switch it up right here. This switches 1, 2, then around. 4, same move, then around. Now my feet are stepping right, back, left, right, drag the left, left, back, right, left, drag the right. One more, the feet. And hey, still use your torso, still use that waist. Speed it up. 1, 5, yup, make sure you got those feet. Make sure you got the feet. Now if you got those hands, let's go. Hands. 1, 2, woo! Uh-huh. It's definitely that type of energy. One more. 1, 5. How y'all doing? Y'all good? Watch this. Right, left, double on my right. I'm on my left toe, my right, then my left. Put your weight on the foot that you're stepping on. That means go left, right, left. Don't do this. Look, my weight's center. Not what you want. You wanna move with the feet. Now use your arms how you want. Make it feel good to the beat. I'm a rapper. Speed it up. Let's go. 1, 2, 8, 5, 6, and 8. 1, 2, and 4, 5, 6. I'm going right, left, and left, right. Last one. Right, left, and left, right. How you feel? Breathe. That's the time for your break. Grab that water really quickly. Wipe off that sweat. Because guess what? The DJ's dropping it like this. Ooh.